welcome back to my channel, Simply Subrena. Thank you so much for stopping by and watching this video. So today I'm here with another Ayurvedic deep conditioning treatment for you guys, and this is going to be for the individuals that do not want to go through the hassle of actually mixing dry herbs or powders into their mixture. They're looking for somewhat of just a cleaner type of mask. You still want to try Ayurvedic hair care, but you just want a simpler version of it versus the powders, because it can be a bit much, and I'll admit it myself. I don't use my powders often because sometimes it's just a big mess and it's just so much sometimes, but I have come up with an easier treatments to still get all of the goodness from Ayurvedic hair care into your wash day. So if you want to see my updated Ayurvedic hair care deep conditioning treatment mask that I make for hair growth and overall hair health, then definitely keep on watching.
So to start off, I am going to be using a conditioning base. I'm using the Shea Moisture Strengthen, Grow, and Restore treatment mask. You can use whichever conditioner or deep conditioner you like as your base. I will also be using avocado oil. It's a great moisturizer and strengthener. Grapeseed oil is good for hair growth and moisture. And into the Ayurvedic hair care, I will be using Neem Oil. It's really good at helping maintaining a healthy scalp. It's really good at providing moisture for your hair. It will result in shinier hair, and it also aids in hair growth because it does so much for the scalp environment. Also, the star of this show, I will be using Mahabhringaraj oil. Now, this oil has so many different oils in it. It's really good for stopping hair fall, shedding. It will help getting stronger and healthier hair and overall hair growth. It has maca, brahmi, herda, beta, amla, boachi. It has so many really good oils in it. So to start off, I will be putting about, I want to say like a cup of conditioner. I literally went back and had to make more. And then I added about a tablespoon of avocado oil and grapeseed oil, a teaspoon of neem oil, and the Mahabhringaraj oil is where you go in. And I did put, I want to say about 2 tablespoons of the Mahabhringaraj oil. I did go back and add more. You will see it in a second. So after that, you are literally just going to mix everything up, and you want to make it a really nice consistency. Make sure it's really blended, and it should be a very smooth, creamy liquid consistency. So I am starting off with freshly washed hair. I did use the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil shampoo to wash my hair, and I do section off my hair into 4 sections to make applying the treatment easier. So this is my hair in all its glory. So I am going to basically just apply this treatment as you would any other deep conditioning treatment, but with this one you also want to make sure you apply it to your scalp and give yourself a quick little scalp massage. These oils are very beneficial for hair growth and overall scalp health, and that's where hair growth starts from. So you definitely want to give it goodness. And yeah, I just work this into my hair, and I just make sure that all of my strands are covered and that my hair is saturated in the treatment, especially my ends. Now, if you have never tried these oils, I promise you, you will be amazed. Literally, as you're applying it, you will feel your hair just melting in your hand, okay? If you have any deep conditioners that don't have any slip whatsoever, add these oils to it. It will change the whole game, I promise you. I had my friend use these oils also, and she used a completely different deep conditioner, and she even said herself she felt the difference of using it with the oil versus just the deep conditioner itself. So I love using these oils over powder. You will see why. The powders are great for overall hair health and hair strength, but when you want a really good moisturizing deep conditioner that's also going to give you a hair growth boost, the oils are definitely a better way to go, I promise you. And I feel like you can see as I am applying it, my hair is just becoming juicier and juicier. So yeah, I'm just going to keep applying this to all of my hair. Make sure it's well saturated from roots to tips, and make sure that I also give myself a good scalp massage as well. So after I'm done applying the treatment to all of my hair, then I am going to put on a shower cap on my hair, and that's just to protect my deep conditioning cap from getting all ucky and gooey. And I did get this from Amazon. The link will be down below. You do pop it in the microwave for a few minutes, and I'm going to let this steam my hair for about 30 minutes. And I did put some little, tissue at the back because I did go over with the oil on my second batch to do the second half of my hair. So oil was dripping everywhere. But I just want to show you guys, look at my hair. You can tell the difference on my hair strands. Like, you can see that it's juicy, it's moisturized, it's quenched, it's not dry, it ain't thirsty, it's not lacking nothing. These oils are literally heaven sent, and I'm so friggin' happy that I decided to try them out and just go a different route. But overall, like, my hair is literally just drenched and moisturized, and I love it. I love my results every single time. And these oils, all of them are very light oils, so they don't leave your hair weighed down after you wash it out or anything like that. I did this after I shampooed, so after that I just rinsed this treatment out. I didn't use anything else. Okay. And after I shampooed with the Jamaican black castor oil, I did do a conditioner rinse with a matching conditioner before I deep condition, for anyone that's going to ask. But after I washed this treatment out of my hair, I did not put any other product in my hair. And this is what my hair looked like after I washed it out. As you can see, whatever curl definition I have was popping. My hair was so soft to the touch. It was moisturized. It was shiny. Like, I love this treatment. Absolutely love it.
Okay guys, so that's the end of this tutorial. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope some of you guys found it helpful. Definitely let me know if you'll be trying out this version over using the powder versions. I mean, I like it. It's so much easier. It's just cleaner. It's not a mess. And like, honestly, the results from this is just so much better. I feel like I will continue to use my powders when I just want a really good, like, strengthening and just overall hair health treatment. But on my everyday wash day, I'm sticking with this. I'm sticking with the oils. Anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Definitely give it a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, loves.